Yes, dear students, today your class is coming and that will be the parliamentary form of government. Parliamentary form of government. So, there are, what that means by government? Government means who those are ruling on us? Maybe the Raja, maybe the king, maybe the dictator. They are also what doing? They are also ruling on us. So, here when just we are talking about this country, our country, here is no any Raja Rani. There is no any queen and king. But sometimes we are telling ourselves also, yes, I am from Raja family. Yes, you may be, because earlier there was the Raja and Rani. So you may be from that family, but now if you will tell, I am the Raja right now, then that will be wrong, because now the system of our country is the parliamentary form of government. Okay, so by this just we easily can understand there is no any king and queen here in our country. We all are coming under the same rule. So what is that? The parliamentary. What is this parliamentary? You are aware about your family also. So I am always talking about the family, my family. When we are going through this political science, civics, so certainly this parliamentary form of the family, these are coming very near to us. Government, this administration, this law, these all are coming very near to us. So just whenever we are talking about this law, so we all are equal before the law. So here in our system, here country, the system of administration is what? The parliamentary form of government. So what is this? Adoption of this parliamentary form of government. So earlier than before 1947, you must have just been going through this history. So when there was the system of this, no administration, no just prime minister was there, then at that time there was the system of the Britishers here. Britishers were there. But in 1947, when we got the freedom, earlier than that, there were many freedom fighters who have sacrificed their life to gain this democracy, to get the freedom, wanted to just push the Britishers from this country as soon as possible. And almost in 1947, our country, this got the freedom, and now when the Britishers went, there were only one target. So Britishers should go from here. We want our own administration there here in this country. So we got the freedom, and now this is the system of how you will rule. Again, will you do that? What the Britishers were doing here? Nobody will accept you, because we have for that purpose pushed them away. Okay, so this parliamentary form of government has come. So what is this parliamentary form of government? We know this system of this administration. What is that? The system of administration. In your family, in our family, everywhere there is the system of this administration also. There is also the system of administration. There is the guardian. May be sometimes, if guardian is not there, the second line, who those are? Father is there, he is the guardian. If father is not right now there, if has gone someone, where? Then mother will be the guardian for that time. So this type of things are when we are taking, this is called the parliamentary, means we are doing this one with the help of many. With the help of many. You might have been watching sometimes, if any just big issue will be solved there in the family, big issue will be there in the house, then what is happening? The guardian is sitting there in the evening and to discuss the issue, what is to be done. I want to take this boy to higher studies, just very much interested, thinking to send him this particular place in a very reputed institute. Then there is the chance of the discussions. The guardian is taking the advice from the other people of the house also, whether we should send him or not, how we will just adjust the money, from where this money we will bring. So, like this, so this is when we are doing this type of things, this is called the parliamentary. We are many more there in that. So, this parliamentary government came there after this when the Britishers left the country, and then form of the government, it's a very long chapter. So, that is the chapter. I will let you one by one know. So, form of government. So, here in our country it came, leaders decided what type of this government should be there. So, our leaders decided the democratic form of government should be there. Which form? Democratic. Okay. So, this democratic form of government should be there. So, for that what we are supposed to do? Then you will have to take the advice of all. You will have to take or give the representation of the whole country, whole area. So, for this representation, there were Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, these 543 MPs. How many? 543 MPs plus 2 nominated by the President of India. So, these 543 MPs were there throughout the country, and when all the MPs were just are in the house discussing there. So, this type of, when the government is there, we are calling this the parliamentary form of government. So, many more there. Apart from this, not only 545, others are also there. Executives are also there. Executives, those are the IS and IPS, they are also there in the house. They are also supporting these political leaders there. So, this type of things, when it has come to our country, this is called the parliamentary form of government. Who those are there in that important? We will discuss later on. This PM, President, Legislative. So, these things are there. So, one leader should be there. I am always talking about the guardian of the family. One guardian is there, always there in the family. Maybe if the family is big, maybe 2. Sometimes maybe more than that. Who will look after which area? Suppose you are just many people are there in the house. Someone will be looking after the agriculture. Someone will be looking after this job, service, money. Someone may be in other line. So there is the requirement of all this. So, this is PM, President, this legislative. So, these things are there. When the parliamentary form of system will be there, it is required the law, rule, because rule we cannot run. We are here in the school, you are also there in the school, you are also there in the house, you are living with your guardians. What the guardians are or guardian is telling you, you are supposed to obeying, you are following it out. Same way. So, the essential features of this parliament, what are these? So, this president, this will come later on. So, the prime minister, the president, legislature. So, these are the important issue. Now, the essential features of parliament, this Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and this election, how these are coming? Lok Sabha, how this will come? Just, it's a very big issue, Lok Sabha. How the members will come? So, I told you there, this Lok Sabha, 543 MPs are elected because throughout the country there are the constituencies, 543 constituencies. How many? 543 constituencies. So, from each and every constituency, one leader is there, one representative is coming there, and that is called he or she is being called the MP, Member of Parliament. So, this Rajya Sabha, Parliament, this Lok Sabha, this is the election after each and every 5 years. Kitna time? 5 years. And this house is for 5 years. But when we are talking about this Rajya Sabha, this house is the permanent house. This house never retires. Then what happens there? The members are retiring after 6 years. Members are retiring, 1/3 members are retiring after 6 years. But this house, Lok Sabha, is or just dissolved after 5 years. After each and every 5 years, this Lok Sabha dissolves. Then what will happen? As soon as this dissolves, there is the election. When this Lok Sabha will be dissolved, when the president will dissolve this house, then what will be there? Next process is the election. So, each and every after 5 years, and I am always talking about the elections, each and every time, somewhere there in the country, there is or are taking place the elections. Sometimes you might have been MP, this member of just Rajya Sabha also sometimes, this election of this state, this MLAs, MLC also. So, this type of things, sometimes the election of this panchayat, sometimes the election of this, corporation, municipalities, okay, Gram Panchayat. So, all the times elections are taking place somewhere there in the country, and the head of that one is the election, commissioner. There are deputy election commissioner also. For that, there is the election commissioner, and his or her duty to just conduct the election in the country when it is required by which organization. Okay. Now, the functions of the parliament, legislative, financial, debating. So, what are these things? What does it mean? First of all, we should know why this parliament is there. Parliament, first, to make the law. Law is very important. If laws are not there, we are not able to run even a step smoothly. Okay, you understand yourself, yes, I am very simple, I am not saying anything to anyone, but someone will see you, someone will boasting you, someone will be there on the road boasting you. Okay, so at that time, what is the requirement? At that time, laws are required. If anyone who those are breaking the rules and laws there in the country, they are supposed to be taken care by the, somewhere I might have written judiciary. It will be taken care by the judiciary. Okay? So, this debating and this elections functions, these are there of this house, debating functions, control of executives. Who those are controlling? How bill becomes a law? This also, how bill becomes a law? When the government we are electing our MPs. Why we are electing our MPs? Because they will do the administration there, they will make the laws for us. We day by day, we require the new laws there throughout the country, because with the advancement of time, we require the rectified, modified laws, then there is amendment there in that. Suppose a law has been made 30, 40 years back, then we require the amendment there in that. We require the latest law, then how just it will be there? You just need it or it will be there? No. Then there is a system. What will happen? Same system as we are making the law, if we are doing the amendment there in that law, process will be the same. It should be passed by 2/3 majority there in the house, and when this Lok Sabha will pass it, it will go to the Rajya Sabha. Those house also should pass it by 2/3 majority, and when both putting or passing it out, then it will go to the president or head of the country for putting the signature, then it will be passed likewise. So, process is there. So, the functions of this parliament is coming the legislative. Legislative means to make the law. Legislative to make the law. Okay. Now, this financial, without finance we cannot go. We cannot go properly. If we don't have the money, but you have the money, we have the money. When just we are talking about the government has the money. Right now you might have been watching there, you are there in your house. So, sometimes certainly you see what the Prime Minister is declaring. Right now, yesterday perhaps, Prime Minister has declared he is just sending the money in the farmers' account, 2,000. So, likewise, again just he was telling more than 1 lakh crore it has been just the provision for the development of the agriculture. So, this type of things are there. It is the responsibility of this Prime Minister. So, from where this finance will come? So, when just we are talking about the finance, we are the people who those are in job, in service. If you are the businessman, you must have heard the name of GST. You must have the heard name GST. But if your father, mother, who those are in the service, he must have heard the name of the income tax. So, income tax. So, likewise, it is the responsibility of the voters also. I mean, the citizens of the citizens of the country also, he or she should pay this income tax honestly. GST, who those are in business, they are paying this GST. So, these type of things are from where the money is coming. Just I wanted to let you know. So, debating this the election functions, this control of these executives, how bill becomes a law. So, as I told you, it should be passed by 2/3 majority there in the house, then it will go to the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha will also pass it by 2/3, then it will back to Lok Sabha, and finally it will go to the president, and it will be, when the president is putting the signature, then it will be becoming the law. Okay. Now, the division of power. So, division of power is very essential. If all the powers will keep with you, yourself, everybody will make the noise. So, this division of power, center is supreme power, state is also there. So, there is the division has been done. Center power is there from center, and you just, so union list, state list and concurrent. Someone is, who those are, which laws are coming under both, but some laws are coming totally under the center. I mean to say, this railway is totally under the center. Defense, totally it is coming under the center, but education, but agriculture, these are coming under the center plus state. Somewhere, okay sir, somewhere this is concurrent also. Education, as I told you, education is under the center as well as to the state. You might have been watching in your area, in which state you are living, there is, it is run by the state government, but some are the CBSE. This is here in state and center also. So, this concurrent. Education is concurrent. Now, these executives, who those are coming under this? Who executive means who those are at the top level for this management, president, prime minister, here in the states, chief minister, this governor, these are coming under the executive, maybe the Chief Justice of India. So, likewise, these are who those are much more responsible, who those are at the higher and highest post, they are being called the executive. So, each and every one, election commission is very responsible. As I told you, each and every time they are very much busy for this election, conducting the election throughout the country of different types of election. Why this is? Because if it will not be there, then will be the chaos, there will be the noise throughout the country likewise. So, these executives are this president, prime minister. Now, this one portfolio, prime minister, president, I am talking much more. Now, this portfolio, what is this portfolio? As we are aware about that, there in the center, just different ministers are there of the different areas. Defense minister is there, home minister is there, railway ministry is there. So, likewise, this portfolio is divided by whom? This portfolio is divided by this prime minister. Because he or she is responsible to divide who will be what minister. Okay. So, this portfolio you should remember. Now, this council of ministers, many more ministers are there. Who those are? So, this council of ministers, many more ministers are there. So, all are having the same type of this responsibility to run the country smoothly. Okay, dear? Just next step here again, separate class. Okay.